CKA Challenge Question 26, having the weightage of 5%. A new application, Finance Audit Pod, is deployed in the finance namespace. There is something wrong with it. Identify and fix the issue. No configurations changed allowed. You can only delete and recreate the pod if required. This question is related to technical troubleshooting task and is asking you to perform the following step. Identify the issue with the new applications called Finance Audit Pod that has been deployed in the finance namespace. Fix the issue but without making any configuration changes. If required, delete and recreate the pod to resolve the issues. To complete this task, you will need to have access to the system where the application has been deployed and have the necessary permissions to manage the pod. It is likely that you will need to investigate the logs and status of the pod to identify the issue. Once you have identified the issue, you will need to fix it without making any configuration changes. This could involve updating the code or dependency of the applications or making adjustment to the environment or resource allocated to the pod. If it is not possible to fix the issue without making configuration changes, the questions allow for the options of deletions and recreating the pod. This would involve using a command or functions to delete the existing pod and then deploy the new instance with the same configuration. It is important to ensure that the issue is fully resolved and that the application is functioning as expected before considering the task complete. Additionally, it is recommended to document the issue and solve to help prevent similar issues from occurring in the future. Take on the challenge of solving these questions on your own first. But if you encountered any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solutions. Good luck. So as per these questions, there is one pod that running in the finance namespace. First check, do we have any finance namespace already created? Better to identify QCTL, get NS. So we have one finance namespace already existing in the environment. So let's clear the screen. QCTL finance get pod. All the pods from finance namespace. So you can see that the pod is not running as per the questions, and we have to identify. So better to describe this pod. QCTL. This will be my first step for the investigation. QCTL and finance. Describe pod finance audit pod. Okay. So all the things are successful. Here the error is related with I think there is some typo while executing this command. Zip. This is the term. Okay. So let's clear the screen. QCTL. Okay. Let's verify it again by describing it again. Okay, so you can identify that this is the SIP. SIP instead of sleep, SIP word has been used, which causing this problem. Okay, so for this, clear the screen first. QCTL and use the namespace and finance get pod finance output of YAML. I'm just going to save all the definitions file that is used to create this pod in a file, because we need to first delete this pod and then recreate it. But we don't have to change anything in the configurations. We have to only fix the problem. So pod.yml, I'm going to save it in this file. So all the things are perfect. Get pod finance audit OML. Just press enter ls. So we have the pod, and we are going to use the Vim editor to just open it in a Vim editor. Okay, so let's move it. Oh, here is the word, and we are going to fix it. It should be save the file. And one more thing, guys, in the Kubernetes exam, if you have to delete a pod, don't delete in a simple way like kubectl using the namespace finance delete pod finance. Don't delete in this way. Just use the grace period of 0 and force apply the force on it. I think one does. No, it should be a force. Okay. So in this way, you just terminate the pod very instantly. You don't have to wait it to get the pod deleted. Now, pod is already, you can verify it as well. kubectl namespace finance get pod. Sorry, get. So the pod is deleted from the, and we already saved the definition file and fix it as well. So kubectl apply f for file, and the name of the file is pod, and it's got created. Let's verify it. kubectl and for finance get pod. So now the pod is running perfectly fine. So this complete the third questions.